Hello, in this video we are going to look at example 2 for 7.3, so let's go ahead and get started. Example 2 says, a helicopter hovers over a small island. The island is 1,000 feet off the coast. The angle of depression from the helicopter to point P on the coast is 36 degrees. How far above the island to the nearest foot is the helicopter? So we have a helicopter that's in the air, so it's going to have to be that topmost point on my triangle. This is going to be my helicopter. Below it, there is a small island. I'm going to mark it with I. It's really the corner right here. And then the island is across from the coast, which has point P. They give us point P. I should have chose C, but you know, it is what it is. So the question tells me the island is 1,000 feet off the coast. So the different distance between I and P is 1,000. It also tells me the angle of depression from the helicopter to point P on the coast is 36 degrees. So if I drew a dotted line out from the helicopter, that would be like the line of sight that the helicopter pilot would have if he was looking straight out. And then if the pilot looks down towards that point P, the angle of depression would be 36 degrees. Now notice that angle isn't inside my triangle, and we want it to be inside my triangle. So what I know is that this entire angle here is 90 degrees. So if I do 90 minus 36, that'll give me the angle on the inside, which is going to be 54. So this right here should be 54. At this point, I don't really care about the 36 anymore. We'll use 54 instead. Now the last thing I need to figure out is what am I looking for? It says how far above the island to the nearest foot is the helicopter. So we're looking for that distance between H and I, so that's going to be X. Again, we're going to start by labeling our sides. So across from 54, we have 1,000. That's going to be my opposite side. Across from the right angle is your hypotenuse, and then the last side is going to be your adjacent. Now if I look at my picture, I see that we have adjacent and we have opposite. So we have OA, so that means we're going to use tangent. Remember, you do the tangent of your angle, which is 54, equals my opposite side, because O comes first in SOHCAHTOA, so 1,000 divided by my adjacent, which is X. Again, from here you're trying to get X by itself, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides by X. When we do that, we have X tangent of 54 equals 1,000. And then we need to get X by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by the tangent of 54. When I do this, we have 1,000 divided by the tangent of 54. And then I just need to write that or type that into my calculator. Again, your tangents canceled here, so really you just had X left over. So let me go ahead and pull up my calculator. In this video, I'm not going to go over how to check your mode because I did that in the last one. So if you don't know how to check that, please go back to example 1 and watch that video. All right, here's your video about how to type it into your calculator. So we are going to do 1,000 divided by tangent of 54. You can close your parentheses if you want, but you don't have to, and then hit enter. We get 726.5. They tell me to round to the nearest foot, so I don't want any decimals. So 0.5 tells me I round up, so my final answer is going to be 727. And then they were talking about feet, so that is the units for this answer. 727 feet. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your teacher.